In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file in Constant Contact. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly share documents with your email subscribers, you're in the right place. We'll walk step by step through this process, ensuring you can confidently attach files to your emails. So, let's dive in. First things first, before we can attach a file to your email, we need to ensure that it's uploaded to your Constant Contact library. Think of the library as your centralized hub for all the files and images you wish to include in your emails. It's important to have everything organized here because it makes the attachment process smooth and efficient. To upload your file, simply navigate to the Library tab within your Constant Contact account. You'll find an easy-to-spot upload button, usually represented by a plus sign or an upload label. Click it and select the file you need from your computer. Once uploaded, your file is now stored securely in the library and is ready to be used. Now, with your file safely uploaded, it's time to get it into your email. Start by opening up the email campaign you'd like to work with. In Constant Contact, email campaigns are composed of different blocks, text, images, etc., each designed to hold specific types of information. To attach your file, you'll want to click into a block. It can either be a text block if you wish to link it there, or an image block if you prefer a visual cue for your subscribers to click. Once inside the chosen block, look for the link icon. This icon typically looks like a chain link and is your gateway to including various types of content from your library. Click the link icon. You're now presented with a few choices, like URL, email, and our focus, document. Choose the document option. This is where linking to a file transforms from a mere idea into an actionable item in your email. At this point, a window will open, showing you all the files residing in your library. Navigate through to pick the one you uploaded earlier. If it's a text block you're working with, you'll probably want to include a short, engaging description to entice your readers to click the link. You could write something like, "Download our latest brochure," or "Check out this exclusive white paper," to give them a clear call to action. If it's an image block, using an attention-grabbing graphic could serve a similar purpose. Finally, make sure you save and preview your email to ensure everything displays correctly. This double check helps catch any potential issues before you hit send. And there you have it. Your file is now a clickable link within your email, ready to be shared with all of your subscribers. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your communications with valuable, downloadable content. Happy emailing!